everyone, my name is Seif along with Danyia and Hind, and our project is called SELENITE. It is located in Dubai along the creek. It is also a G+5 office building. So when designing over 45 different variations for this building, we narrowed it down to this specific variation because of its orientation. Due to its orientation being north, it allows a plethora of views to the creek and the heritage, which are prime touristic attractions in Dubai. Another reason was because of the sun orientation, where it prevents direct sunlight into the building. While doing so, it also provides a well-shaded, interactive outdoor space that is also connected to the creek, which we thought was very important to this project. And now with Hind and her pre-concept.
Hello everyone, I'm Hind and I'll start talking about our pre-concept. As you've already seen, Seif showed you our variations. From these variations, we picked one and we started experimenting with it. The variation we chose is something like a gradient or a texture. We wanted to design our building based on proper orientation. The first one's facade is facing north only, and the other sides are blocked. Because we wanted the facade to face more than one side, we tried the second design, but it was too bulky. We finally came to a solution, which is the third design, you see on the right, and this went perfectly with the orientation and the concept. After we chose our design, we went on to materiality. We have tried different variations and chose to work with corten steel mesh, glass, and planters for shading. Moving on to diagrams, I wanted to start with explaining the design process. As you can see, we created the texture from extraction. We extracted by following a grid that is 5.5 meters by 5.5. We extracted based on shading, functions, lighting, and hierarchy. The second diagram is the design concept. As you can see, there are strips. By the end of every strip, so basically our strips can represent fingertips. These are the strips right here, and these are our fingertips. At the end of every fingertip is a different language. The language is that the end of every fingertip or the end of every strip that we have is like a meeting room, conference room, seminar room, everything that can be like a meeting. And the rest of the strip, which is the rest of the finger, is offices. Now I'll leave you with the rest of the diagrams that are self-explanatory for a minute.
When working on developing our concept, we knew the structure would be a challenge to us because of the depth of the cantilevers we have, which range between 5.5 and 16.5, that go hand in hand with our 11 by 11 meter grid. And because we wanted to achieve an exterior shape free of columns, we chose steel structure because of its lightweight, strength, and durability. And along with our steel structure came the use of I-beams and castellated beams. Castellated beams are a preferable choice when it comes to cantilevers, similar to our depths, and also they give the advantage of allowing surfaces to pass through them. After achieving the structure came the choice of materiality. We wanted our facade to reflect our concept and to strengthen its direction that's heading to the west. Adding to that, we wanted to emphasize the end of our cantilevers because even as space planning, the ends hold special functions. So as you can see in the render, we went with the choice of glass, corten steel, mesh panels, and the green facade system at the ends to provide shading as the west is exposed to sunlight and to maintain the view. All these elements come together to provide a comfortable working space that allows creativity and generation of ideas. Thank you.